Hey YouTube, what's going on? Chris here. Want to bring an update on Monero Xmr. We're at $63.84. We're up 3.17%. And I wanted to bring you Monero because I think this is going to be one in the next bull market. I think it's going to be very, very successful. And the reason I do is just due to the privacy of the coin. That's what a lot of people are looking for, and it's the big daddy in terms of it's been around since 2014. And also the supply of it's only $18.4 million, guys. So when money is injected into this coin, it runs really hard, really fast. And right now we, from the all-time high, are down around 85.65%. And what you look for in terms of longer term investing, you want to be buying, especially if you believe in a coin or a project. This is the area, guys, to be picking this type of coin up at. I mean, it's at an 85% discount and nothing bad has happened to Monero. Everything's still going. It has all the promising things down here as up here, and this is just human emotion, but you're seeing these market cycles take place, and this was our bullish market cycle, and then this has been our bear market, and now we're trying to slowly work our way out of this bear market, and we're getting there, guys, because right now with Monero, if you take a look at this, we are up above this 200-day moving average, and we're gonna have to see where we close day. We've had some closes before on the 1 day up above it here, guys, but we want to be able to stay up above this 200-day moving average. The reason why it's so important is in this bear market we were below this 200-day moving average. Let me lower this for you. So we made the cross, we dropped down at $241. That's when we made that cross to the downside right there, and ever since we were just being pressed. Look at that, we didn't even come close to getting back to it, guys. There's all this air in between it, and now we're finally at that area where we can have today, as long as things go well, we potentially could have our 50 moving average cross over our 200-day moving average, which would be that golden cross. We have a potential of closing up above that 30-day EMA as well, depending on where we close today, which is exciting. But with Monero and a lot of these coins, guys, in terms of long-term investing, if you're looking to invest and hold for quite a while until the top of the next or close to the top of the next bull market, look where we're at in this chart. This has been a full bubble pop. We've went all the way up to $470 and all the way down at the low to around $33. So we retraced well 90% all the way to the downside. And in my opinion, guys, and this is just my opinion, I do a lot of reading on market cycles and things like that and how price often repeats itself. I believe that this down here, what we're getting into now, is that start of the next bull market, as we're slowly, as long as we can stay up above this 200-day moving average and we start having closes and higher lows on top of that, that's going to signify that we will be in that next bull market and we can start making our way up. But with Monero, it's one of the coins that has been around for a while. It's been tested. It's one that people really trust for, privacy and security, or privacy, I'm sorry. And, it's one that I have my eye on. It being at $64 and there's only 18.4 million of them, and we're down, at the levels that we are now. This is just where I'm starting to think, is this a potential area to start accumulating? So I'm not going to dig in too much in the chart here, guys, but I just wanted to put it on your radar. Really start looking in to Monero, do some research into the company and see what you think about it and what conclusions you've come to. I think it's going to be one of the big winners, and I do believe down the road, guys, in the next market cycle, this could be $1,000 coin, no problem. I mean, last time it got all the way up to almost $500 right there. So, the next market cycle that happens most likely is going to be even larger than this one, and that's just how they happen. They tend to repeat themselves, and especially once we start getting that, like, financial institutions investing in cryptocurrency, which will happen, or that ETF, something like that, this could definitely be a coin that a lot of guys will want to put their money into. So just keep it on your radar. I wanted to bring it to you there, guys. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor, just here to show you the upside, the downside, some coins I'm looking at, different things like that. God bless, my friends.